my channel. If you're new, my name is Linn. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video is going to be this look right here. This was the look that I wore on Christmas Eve, and I posted a picture on Instagram and a lot of you wanted to see a tutorial. So here it is. I'm also wearing my favorite lip combo. If you enjoy it, don't forget to help me out and give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. So without further ado, if you want to know how I created this look right here, then please keep watching. So as always, I have primed and moisturized my face. So today we're going to use the Kat Von D Lucky Foundation in the shade Medium 52 because I am self-tan. I like to use a sponge. This is from Real Technique to really get the foundation in there. But if you want more coverage, use a brush. To conceal my under eyes, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This has been my all-time favorite for years. I love this stuff. And I am using a fluffy blending brush to blend it out because this will really make it go into the skin and blend with the foundation very well. And then I'm going over with this sponge after to kind of press everything in. For primer today, I'm going to use the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre, and I'm just going to apply this with my finger all over the eyelids. And since it's yellow based, it would take away all the redness. Then I'm going to do my brows off camera using these products right here. To set the paint pot that we just put on our lids, I'm going to use this beige base color right here, which is called Brulee, and it is from MAC Cosmetics. It's a refill. It's one of my favorites. And now that our lids are well prepped and primed, I am taking one of my most used palette lately. This I have created myself, and it's all shadows from MAC Cosmetics. So we're starting with a shadow called Wedge, which is a cool toned shadow, and I'm just going to use this as my transition color in the crease. For the inner part of the eyelid, I'm going to use this gorgeous gold shadow, which is called Amber Lights, and I'm also spraying some Fix Plus on the brush to make it more metallic. And for the outer part of the eyelid, we're using Sketch, which is like a burgundy reddish brown, and we're going to blend this into the gold and also into the crease. So when I create a smoky eye, I like to go back into the palette, so I'm building up the intensity because sometimes you can put too much, especially with deep colors. So I'm just blending and going back in. Also decided to drag the shadows a little bit upwards to lift up the eye. Next, I'm going to use this black shimmery color, which is called Black Tide. And when using black, the tip here is also to go back in with the palette so you build up the intensity. And I'm just blending this inwards where we put the Sketch color and also a little bit upwards to the crease on the outer part. Then I'm going back in with Sketch, and we're just going to add some definition under our eyes, and I'm also going back in with Black Tide, and this I'm pressing all the way up through my lashes, so we're kind of getting that intense look. On my waterline, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and I'm also going to tightline. This will make your eyes appear so much more dramatic and stand out, so that's just a little tip. And for a liner, I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear eyeliner in the shade Black Track, and I am actually using a paintbrush here because I find them to be more precise and very small and easy to work with. So this is absolutely a tip if you have trouble with your eyeliner. Then for powder, I'm going to use the MAC Next to Nothing powder in a light plus, and I'm going to set my under eyes, my nose, my forehead and chin as well. And I'm also going to carve out my cheekbones a little bit more. And this powder is also hydrating, and it will make your skin look flawless, and it will take away all the pores and imperfection, which I love. For contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm mixing two shades together. I found that this will give me that bronze look, but also a very defined contour. So I love it, and I'm going to use this on my cheekbones, forehead, temples, and jawline as well. And for the nose, I'm taking a smaller brush, which is more defined, and I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit and also on the sides to make it appear smaller. We also need to add some color to the cheeks, so I am using the Extra Dimension blush from MAC in the shade Wrapped Candy, and as you can see, it's not that bold when it goes on, but it is so gorgeous and it will give you a glow. And we also need to highlight, so I am using the Extra Dimension highlighter from MAC as well. This is in the shade Oh Darlings. I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, cupid bow, and down the bridge of my nose. And to make it pop even more, I'm going in with this mineralized skin finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. Once you add this on top, it will look absolutely gorgeous and it will give you that perfect glow. And I'm also adding a little bit to my brow bones. And as always, I'm going to use the Lancome mascara, which is called Hypnose. I love this. This is perfect for lengthening, separating, and also volume. And we also need to coat our lower lashes as well. I also decided to make the eyes pop even more by adding a pair of lashes. So these are the MAC 48 lashes, my absolutely favorite. And lastly, we have lips, and I'm going to use my all-time most used go-to lip combo for a nude lip, which is the Soar lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. And then I'm using the MAC lipstick in pink print, which was from the Nicki Minaj nude collection that she made. And to finish off strong, we need those juicy plumped lips. I'm going in with the Smashbox O Plump, which will plump up your lips a little bit, and it also stings if you don't like it. It's not for you, but here's the final result. So if you decide to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, Twitter. I would love to see your recreations as well. Hopefully you got inspired to glam up a little bit. Don't forget to thumbs it up. Also be sure to click that subscribe button down below if you still haven't. It will be a lot of fun videos up, and I also have a new giveaway. So I wish you the best year. May you have a good health and may all your success and dreams come true this year. I'm crossing my fingers, and thank you so much for all the holiday wishes. You got me. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much, and until next time, I will see you soon. Bye.